Hey guys, it's Kimberly and Ethan here with Overland Objective. We didn't have a chance to film our, walkthrough, rundown, synopsis, whatever you want to call it, from Redbird last weekend because the GoPro died right at the end of our trip. So at least it lasted the entire time. We just didn't get to talk about everything.
We had a few other things going on besides charging the GoPro before we left, so.
Yeah, that's also true. We ran into a couple of hiccups, I guess, with ours. Really only one hiccup.
Yeah, just one.
And it
we
was
got stuck a few times, but
yeah.
we ended up blowing a bead on our passenger side front tire.
As we were leaving. Yeah, as we were heading out. I feel like that happens to us a lot when we go to Redbird. Something always happens on our way out. I feel like.
Yeah. Didn't even let all the air out of the tire, just popped it off the bead enough that we weren't going to make it out of there without going flat. So just jacked it up with our factory Toyota jack that worked fine. Swapped it out for the spare and on we went.
Yep. So. We are currently on our way back from my hometown. We came down yesterday afternoon to visit with my dad and stepmom so that they could visit with the baby and get some grandparent time in. So it was our first overnight trip. It was pretty good. He was a little fussier than he normally is, but it's a new scenario. We're learning how to do overnights as well, so that could definitely be part of it. But he really did pretty well. And there's a bunch of stuff in the back. We actually have the dogs in the way back there. You can see Bo probably. There he is. Hi, Bo. But they came with us this weekend too. This is also the first time that they've traveled with us since we've had the baby. But they've done really well. We are hoping to have this video up, we're hoping to have it up the third weekend of the month. And we're going to try to start having a new video up the third Friday of every month. That's our goal. And it'll probably be a variety of different things. Ethan has some projects that he's done that he has some video footage of that he can do, some modifications and stuff that he's put in. And then I also am going to be trying to do a vlog every month. And that will also be
first Friday of the month.
Yeah, and I'll have that out the first Friday of every month is the goal. Obviously, we're both busy. Ethan's
just kicked into high gear.
Yeah, he's been working like 12-hour days the last few days, and it's just getting started. So, and then I'm at home with the baby. So, yes, I have time to vlog, but at the same time, my time is spent doing other things as well. So, but we've done well the last 2 months, so that's not too bad. Trying to take it all on it's a learning curve, but I feel like we're doing pretty well. So I'd like to do some cooking recipes and stuff like that too, because we do like outdoor cooking and stuff like that. We really need to get into cast iron cooking a bit more. It'd be nice.
Cast iron just weighs so much.
It does, but man, everything that is cooked in that tastes so much better.
Yeah. We just need to build a trailer again, and
yeah, Ethan.
We'll be set.
I think Ethan regrets selling the trailer last summer.
So here's the footage from last weekend. Like I said, I haven't even looked at it, so hopefully there is footage. So hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you like, subscribe,
and there's a little bell. If you click that, you'll get notifications when we post as well.
That bell.
Yep. So thanks for watching, and
hope you enjoy.
Take care.
That's scary.